number 2. Chantal is asking when to ship products straight from manufacturer to customer. What are the pros and cons? Shipping of a product from a manufacturer directly to the customer is called drop shipping. You drop ship in the following cases. 1, to test demand for a third-party branded product. So it means that a factory has their very own product that is branded with their trademark name, and you want to be their distributor. But you don't know right now whether you have a lot of demand for this product. So you would love to test this product first. And this is where you start drop shipping this product. This is the first case. The second case for drop shipping is when you are testing demand for a white label product. It means that a manufacturer has a product. This product does not have any brand on it, and manufacturer allows you to put your own brand on their product. In the very beginning, when you still do not know whether there is market for this product, you're going to drop ship this product under your own label. So these white label products in the test phase. And the third one would be when you are selling a trendy product that you expect not be able to sell anymore once the trend ends. You may not want to invest into inventory of a trendy product because you do not know when exactly does this trend end, and you don't want to end up with a product that will be unsellable after that. So these 3 cases. And there is a clear advantage of drop shipping for product demand testing. It means that you do not invest into a large inventory. You are testing, you are selling a product, and then you are fulfilling it directly. There is no inventory investment here. And the con would be that delivery times are very long, between 14 and 40 days. However, if you explain it to your clients, they will accept it. It has been tested. A lot of companies in the United States and across the world are doing drop shipping from China, for example, and the delivery times are mostly 14 days, but if something goes wrong in the transit, it goes up to 40 days. And the experience is that if you inform your clients very well about the possible delivery times, they will wait for your product to arrive. Another disadvantage with the drop shipping is that you are buying one product at a time. It means that you are paying a higher price for a product. For a testing phase, it does not really matter because you are just testing and your product can be more expensive. You set it off against 0 investment into inventory. Once demand for a third-party branded product or a white label product is confirmed, once you know that yes, your clients want it and there is demand and you can sell it, I suggest to purchase in bulk, minimize the cost of the product, and ship by sea to your local fulfillment center, and then fulfill locally. In no case do I recommend to do drop shipping for a private label. A private label is your very own product that you have invented and developed and a manufacturer has produced for you. You do not want your manufacturer to drop ship your private label product. Why? Because if you allow your manufacturer to drop ship your private label product, you are basically putting all the eggs that you have into one basket. Imagine you have a production run of something completely different that doesn't have anything to do with this concrete product even. And there is a production problem. There is a conflict that you need to solve and you are negotiating with your manufacturer. In most cases, the manufacturer who keeps your inventory will use this inventory of yours as a lever in negotiation about completely different production in order to get an outcome that is advantageous for a manufacturer. So the manufacturer can say, I'm not going to fulfill your orders of this product until we solved that problem. And this is something that you want to avoid. You don't want to have this cross of interests. Your manufacturer is there to manufacture, and your fulfillment house is there to fulfill. Another disadvantage of putting your inventory of a private label at a manufacturer is that you really don't know whether the manufacturer sells your intellectual property behind your back. Most manufacturers will not do that, but if you want to be 100% sure and keep all the distribution power in your own hands, you ship the whole inventory of yours to your local market, put it into a local fulfillment center, and have the control. The manufacturer should not have an inventory, and even as I say, in the most cases, manufacturers are not interested in selling your stuff because they are manufacturing, they are not in business of retail. So, but what can happen with a manufacturer, they can go bankrupt. And if an offshore manufacturer goes bankrupt, in most of the cases, your inventory will be lost. So there will be no difference made between the inventory of this factory and inventory of their clients, and the whole inventory will be sold off to during the bankruptcy process. So this is why you want to manufacture your inventory and get it out into your local distribution center.